Hi, this is Nicholas Fenner with the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi with your weekly weather briefing for the week beginning June 6th. Increasingly summer-like weather is expected this week, with heat index values approaching the 100 to 105 degree range by mid to late week. Best rain chances and any severe weather chances will stay mainly north of the area through midweek, but could spread southward with a front approaching and moving into the area late this week. And then the tropics remain mostly quiet through this week. As mentioned, increasing heat is possible through the course of this week. By Thursday and Friday, we'll see increased temperatures and humidity, leading to possible limited heat stress conditions, especially closer to the Gulf Coast region. Max heat index values of 100 to 105 degrees are possible on mainly the Thursday and Friday time frame. Looking at the regional severe weather threat, again, as mentioned, mainly this should all be staying north of our forecast area. This is for today with the focus up around areas near Memphis in Arkansas and northern Mississippi. Again, for Tuesday, severe weather chances will be north of our forecast area. Same for Wednesday. Severe weather chances will be focused mainly north of our forecast area. And then highlighting specifically here for Friday, it's still a little too far out to have any certainty with this, but ingredients may come together for a little more organized severe weather threat, so be sure to look for updates to our forecast for severe weather throughout this week as we monitor the trends for those periods later in the week. Looking at our 7-day precipitation totals across the United States, we can see the influence of the frontal boundary, which will be stalled kind of from Arkansas into Tennessee across the Interstate 40 corridor, which will focus heavy rain potential in those areas. Otherwise, the chances for heavy rain will be kind of spotty at best throughout the course of this week in our forecast area. Looking at our weekly forecast, you can see the temperatures getting warm and staying warm through most of the week before the front arrives late week, with increasing rain chances throughout the course of the week. As promised, the tropical weather outlook remains fairly quiet for the Atlantic through the week ahead, the only activity being Tropical Storm Alex, which developed this past weekend off the east coast of Florida and is currently moving northeast into the open North Atlantic and is expected to pose no threat to the United States through that time. In summary, increasingly summer-like weather is expected across our forecast area this week. Heat indexes approaching the 100 to 105 degree range by mid to late week, and rain chances mainly staying north of the area through midweek, but spreading south with a front late this week. And the tropics should remain quiet in our region through the week ahead. Thank you again for tuning into our weekly weather briefing. As always, feel free to reach out to our office if you have any questions throughout the week ahead, or follow along on our Facebook or Twitter social media channels for updates to the forecast throughout the week. Thanks again.